How to view recorded calls on Samsung Galaxy S26 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then, from the home screen, open up the phone application. Next, tap on the More button. Then tap on Settings. In Call Settings, go down and tap on Record Calls. Here, tap on Recorded Calls. From here, you will be able to view and listen to your recorded calls.
Please say who you are and why you're calling.
To inquire, please press
Yeah,
1 for
you see.
English and 2 for Chinese. 您您即通知您，已有文件资料需领取，请记。
Okay, so I've got spam calls calling this mobile number all the time, and with these features, it helps to filter them out before they can get to me. This message will be played asking them why they are calling, and that's it. So that's how you can view all the call recordings on the Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now, alternatively, you can also go into your apps store or app store in here, and then we look for the an app called Voice. So I'm just going to go into Samsung folder. That's Google folder. So in Samsung folder, we tap on Voice Recording. Over here, tap on the menu and then choose Call Recording. And from the Voice Recorder app, you will be able to view all your call recording. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.